learn English grammar intuitively. Learn English grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and listening with listen and answer stories. Learn English grammar without studying any grammar rules. How? Listen and answer stories are designed to teach you grammar in an intuitive, natural way. You learn grammar the same way American children learn it, by understanding the structure of the language. Most native speakers do not know grammar rules. Ask an American, what is the past perfect tense? And most will not know. But of course, they use the past perfect tense correctly every day. In fact, they use English grammar effortlessly. They don't think about it. Rather, native speakers have a feeling for correctness. They know what sounds right, and they know what sounds wrong. Can a non-native English learner develop these same skills? Yes, definitely. But you'll never develop the natural ability to use grammar effortlessly if you try to learn by memorizing and thinking. Learn English effortlessly. In many ways, becoming effortless with English grammar is a Zen-like experience. You can't do it directly through studying grammar rules. Listen and answer stories, on the other hand, imitate the natural way children learn. Your job as the student is very easy. Simply listen to the story and answer the super easy questions. In fact, I make the questions super easy for a reason. If the questions were difficult, you would start to think. You would probably try to translate. I don't want that. I want you to answer instantly and automatically without any kind of translation. Another thing I do in the stories is repeat these easy questions in many different ways. I do this to get the grammar structures deep into your brain. You don't realize it, but as you answer all these easy questions, you are actually learning English grammar. This kind of learning is useful and practical. Over time, you will use grammar correctly as you speak. You'll use the correct grammar, but you won't think about rules at all. The more you listen to the listen and answer stories, the more deeply you learn the grammar, and the more automatically you will use it. That's why I tell students to listen to only one lesson set per week. I want you to be a master of English grammar. One final benefit of learning in this way: it's a lot more fun. You'll actually smile and laugh while you learn English grammar. Does that happen when you study textbooks?